What does the red light mean?
It's just a tally light, like it's off on this one, but it doesn't mean we're not recording.
We're all recording.
Okay, let's go.
Is your seatbelt on?
My seatbelt's on. I'm ready to rock. We gotta wait for them.
You're not gonna catch it. I gotta go now. No, this car is gonna slow me up.
Oh, shoot.
Unsuspecting when you first feel it in it.
It's totally unsuspecting.
It's violent. It's like all
I'd have to do the math. The power to rate ratio, I need to do the math. When I drove a monster truck, it was 1,500 horsepower, but it was 12,000 pounds. So not the same. How much does this weigh?
About 2,000 pounds.
Okay, 3,000. Crap! You did know it was going to get squirrely, right?
I did.
Oh, huh?
You never know.
Oh, it gets squirrely. This is more power than you even know it has.
Yeah, every time I get in, it just kind of scares me still. That's why I was...
On it.
That was third gear, just rolling on the throttle.
Third gear. It has, yeah, it's totally diesel traction. So you haven't taken it to an actual drag track yet?
Not open.
Man. On a real clean track, I'd like to see what this does. Which is why you would burn up the tires, like stick him up, right? So that you could pull forward. Amazing. How fast was that?
110.
110?
Something like that. Maybe 115.
Wow.
I don't know, it's like kind of busy. You don't want to be looking at gauges.
Well, no. And we had oncoming cars, so we wanted to ease into that one.
We're in Mexico right now, by the way.
Mexico.
Yeah.
Yes, in Mexico you can do 115.
Yeah.
Wow.
Downshifting.
Yeah.
And watch me as I upshift one more time.
Okay.
So when you're going slow, it's real easy. Just take your time.
Yeah.
Be firm. You get used to the clutch and gas. Push the clutch. Very easy. Just
easy.
Right in.
Okay.
Third gear. Fourth gear, you wait just a little longer.
Come a little more on your speed. Or waiting, you're saying in your...
Yeah, see, I'm waiting just a little longer.
Yep.
If you want to grind free, that's the challenge. I like to make it as smooth as possible.
But that clunking is normal, right?
Yeah.
The engagement.
Yeah.
And that gearbox, you call it a dog box.
Dog box.
Why? I don't even know why it's called that.
So it doesn't have any synchros, and there's these things called dogs, and they engage like a motorcycle transmission.
Okay. So you literally have to find the sweet spot each time.
Or you gotta,
Or you're
Yeah, this is the road.
Turn out and take off from me?
Give it a try.
Or
We'll
is
go.
that not good right here?
Not
No,
really good.
it's narrow. I don't feel comfortable with that.
Let's do what we were gonna do.
Yeah, okay.
And I'm in front of you, right, John?
Well,
Yeah.
yeah, you're in front of me because I'm.
And then what? 20 feet? 30 feet?
No. You're in front of me, and I'm gonna make some pass at point. Okay, that's what we're doing now. Oops.
Woo!
Yeah, if you don't do it right, I'll let you know.
It'll tell you.
That's a cop, so we're not doing nothing now.
Yeah. Oh, he's like not even parked.
The sheriff.
Sheriff. Okay. Tailgate him a little bit. That's it. Holy shit! Don't catch that on camera. Holy mackerel! You can pass in the most unsafe conditions because it's so fast that you can do it. Wow, now we need to let him regroup with us.
I'm gonna let you drive here, pretty much.
Okay.
We got enough of the.
Well, let's find out what else he wants to
Okay, do you
grab.
have your phone?
I have my phone.
Go ahead and call him and tell
I'll call
him.
Kai.
Do you have what you need?
I don't have any cell service.
Totally awesome.
Was that the
Okay.
fastest thing ever?
Wanna do one more?
So you're gonna edit out
I
the
don't-
part where I said "holy shit."
No.
So listen, I don't want to do things like that more than we have to.
No, there was a cop back there too.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, so
we're good.
let's concentrate on getting her driving. Is that okay?
When do you think?
I think right now, let me get to a straight area and we'll let her drive.
Okay. Wow.
So it's real timid if you want to drive it timid. And that's what I
Okay.
suggest.
Yeah, of course.
Just learning how to use
Yeah.
the transmission. All right, this is a good play. Oh, this is a double lane too.
Perfect.
All righty,
Okay.
you're up.
Is it my turn?
It's your turn.
Woo! Glad
Now
I brought
remember,
my
when you drive
glasses.
it, it's very cute, but as soon as you get in this seat, it's gonna want to try to kill you.
Well, that's not our goal today. I'll just do the Sunday stroll thing.
I know, but
that's
it
fine
doesn't
with
care.
Me. Okay,
They want you to kill you or put you in jail.
got it. I'll be careful.
So we got to do the microphone thing.
Yes.
That was awesome. Thank you.
That was literally, you're gonna have to bleep out the. I would have loved the GoPro on your guys' reaction as it's accelerating, because that would be cool, like behind the scenes, like. Ooh.
It's fast.
Dude, we passed
that
you
you
in
or
like
her?
not even 1 second.
Oh.
Boom, gone. Which looks funny, doesn't it?
Oh,
It's a
yeah.
hilarious looking
Here's
car
another
when it's
one.
going fast.
It was braking traction in third gear, rolling on the throttle.
So, are you guys gonna switch, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
and we're just gonna go easy. What do you want me to do with you? Oh, you're just gonna
Whatever-
capture the
whatever
GoPro?
he says is okay.
Are we doing the GoPro or the drive around?
Right here. If
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
on the right and you're on the left
Yeah.
and me going around me, you're like sitting and then sitting and then sitting. I love that.
Okay,
Say
so
that again?
what I would like to do is have her take off, go to the gears, have her stop, take off again, go to the gears. Because that's the whole challenge, is
Right.
working the gears
All right.
so that she gets smooth with it. Her job is to make it smooth. So we're going to kind of focus on that part.
Yep.
Is that okay?
Yep.
And you're just driving wherever you're driving, right?
So when we pull over, that's because we're just going through the gear shifts again.
Fine. Can you break that one over there?
Break what?
Just stop it while we switch.
We have a come to Jesus moment here.
All right.
They want us to go. Okay, so your legs must be longer because that's way far away.
Yeah, that's.
Was that?
You're in first. It's the emergency
That-
brake.
Does it need to roll a little?
That's why I was bumping the clutch.
Oh.
Bump. No. Bump it. Don't let it out.
Got it. What's up?
Is it okay when we take off for you to be in the left lane?
Yeah.
The reason why you need to be in the right. If I can be in the right, you guys
No.
can. Like,
That's fine.
It's
It
fine.
doesn't last for long.
just a little bit right here.
That's
Yeah.
fine.
Well, it depends how she drives. We'll try to.
We're just trying to get it in gear right now.
Okay, so bumping it means just kind
a
of
little bit.
Just yeah.
Rocking it a little bit until it goes in.
So usually you just push it in and it goes in.
Was
So
it in there?
Yep. Now it's in.
That is engaged?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't hear
It's
it
a little- it's a little
it's just a
shorter
short throw then.
Yeah. Don't even.
Oh my
You
gosh.
don't need to give it too much gas.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it wants to go.
And okay.
All right. Is it gonna go?
Well, you
Oh my
find where
gosh.
the sweet spot is.
I'm so nervous because then it's just gonna engage.
No, not much gas. A little gas. Okay. Pushing the clutch. No.
Yeah, Sean.
Let it. You don't have to give them. You're in fourth. That's
I'm in
fine.
fourth?
Yep.
Dude, how did it go from first to fourth? It's that tight?
Well, that's what I'm saying. The dog box a little.
No, this is
Okay,
crazy.
so his lane's getting in, so let him go ahead or whatever, or you go ahead. Okay, now we're gonna come to a stop. You're gonna try to do it this time.
Okay,
Just trying to teach you how to shift it.
got it.
Just come to a nice easy. Put it in neutral. Put it in neutral. Put it in neutral. Let it
Okay.
roll to a stop.
So I don't really need the clutch in if it's in neutral, but it doesn't
You
really
don't.
matter, huh? Let me pull over right here. Is this
No,
fine?
just stay in the middle of the street. If there's nobody behind us, I can't
No,
see.
no, there's no one behind us.
Okay, just stop. It's not a matter of like giving it much gas. First gear.
It's in first.
Okay. Just find where there's a place where you're gonna the clutch engages.
Barely.
Just a little bit of gas. Pushing the clutch and firmly. You don't need to give it much gas. Firmly put it in gear.
Okay. I'm in third. I'm in third.
Okay. Now fourth. Remember, wait a little bit. And firm.
Okay. Well, I made it to fourth.
Okay. We're gonna.
It doesn't want to coast. It just wants to take off.
Yeah. So we're gonna do this again.
Okay.
Go ahead and stop. So you'll know where that clutch, it has a point where it engages, and then that's what you need.
Okay.
You'll after time you know where that is. There you go. Now when you shift, do like you're doing, but just be firm.
Okay.
No.
No, that was in first
Third
gear.
gear.
Dang, this thing. Wait, was that
There,
it?
That's it.
Is that first?
Yeah.
That's third.
No, you're still on third.
That was third gear.
Yeah. Push it all the way over.
All the way over. Now we're in. Is that in first? That's it.
That should be it.
I think that's it. That's it.
Okay. Okay, whoa! Whoa! I don't trust anything.
I wasn't going to go faster than that, John, but I did it. I scared you.
Yeah, he scared me.
But I
know
got
that
it.
This thing's like explosive.
No, I was barely pushing the gas. I was nowhere near pushing the gas. I don't trust. I'm not going to make it go crazy, but I did it.
You did it.
I'm a quick study. I did it.
You did it. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. I was pushing the gas.
I'm the
much.
worst co-driver
No,
in a
I
car
get it.
there is. I tried to co-drive
I get it.
and I couldn't count
Oh, fourth.
That's
You got
fourth.
it. Yep.
it. Okay, want to try
That's
one more
funny.
time?
Yeah, let's try one more time. Is this
Okay.
a safer enough? There's nobody around.
So just try to be real gentle. Don't try
Okay,
to
I won't.
racing at all.
I won't race. I promise I won't race. We're gentle. I think that's first.
It's just making a clean, no
I think that's
grinding
first.
shift. That's first. Okay. A little longer between shifts.
Okay, because
So
we're not.
let it catch up with
Got it.
itself. Now.
He wants me to pass him. We're just Sunday cruise. See, I'm just coasting it, and it just doesn't even. It just
Well,
it wants to go
No, you don't want
way
to go.
faster, but I don't want to go. go
It
faster.
don't
Trust me,
go.
I won't go faster.
It's like having your foot on dynamite.